Somebody is having a relaxing day that's going to be disturbed. Are you not getting up? Not getting up? Come on, you have to get up.
Don't scare him.
Come. Are you feeling sick? Are you tired? What's the matter? Are you okay? Are you okay? You want some bread? You want something to eat? I got some food for you. You want some food? Here, look. You like that?
Well, I think.
She wants some too. Everybody wants some now. Come on, look. Here you go. There you go. There you go. That's your reward. You want some more? Here. Is that good? Here, look. You dropped it on the floor, silly. Here, come here. Come here. Is that good for you?
I gotcha.
There, are you happy now? Uh-oh, now you want some. Your friend wants some. Here you go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, we started a commotion. Hey, there's no more food, guys. That was it. Okay, gotta go. Don't start fighting now. Be good to each other. See ya.